Switching to darker mode is beneficial to your eyes when the light around you is lacking. Hi there, I am Neha from About Technology, and in this video we will discuss methods to get darker mode on your iPhone. Almost each of us spend 11 hours a day on mobile, and using bright light for such a long duration may harm your eyes and even disturb your sound sleep. This can lead to dry, itchy and painful eyes. So you must use dark mode in dim light. We will discuss two methods to switch to darker mode. First, using settings, and second, using shortcuts. Let us switch on to our first method. Tap on the settings icon, scroll down to bottom and tap on display and brightness. Here under appearance, just activate the radio button of darker mode to switch your phone to the darker mode. You can notice your iPhone has switched to darker mode. Further, you can also set this mode switching from darker to light or lighter to dark as automatic. For this, you have to enable the automatic toggle button. You can notice as soon as I enable the automatic toggle button, the iPhone switches to lighter mode as it is a morning time. For advanced setting, tap on Options tab. Here you can schedule time to change appearance automatically. Choosing sunset to sunrise will keep your iPhone to darker mode from sunset up to when sun rises. You can even customize this setting. For that, tap on Custom Schedule. And here you can decide the time up to which your iPhone should be on lighter mode and the time up to which your iPhone should be on darker mode. Now let us try the second method, that is using shortcut. Swipe your iPhone's home screen from right corner towards bottom. Press hold the brightness control icon. Here you can switch your phone to the darker mode directly by tapping on dark mode. Or you can directly turn off the dark mode by tapping on this icon. You can even tap on night shift. It will automatically adjust the color of your display at night to reduce the eye strain. That's all friends. For more description and explanatory screenshot, you can refer our official website qhow.com. I had given URL for the same in the description below. Please like and share this video with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel About Technology. Keep checking the channel for further updates and put your comments and queries in the section below. We'll be back again soon with a new video. Till then, take care of yourself.